today there's a special event happening over here. So over 60 people all over Western Europe come to this place today to do one thing: riding together with electronic vehicles. So welcome to the biggest electronic skate event there's ever been.
Till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean core.
Are we ready to make some awesome shots? Okay, I forgot my helmet. Are we ready to make some awesome shots? Yes, we are.
So right now we're in the biggest indoor go-kart area of Europe. The length of this go-kart track is 1.2 kilometers.
Till it feels like I can walk through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher. Till it feels like I can walk through fire.
Moment they're riding at least 55 to 60 people in this area. That's really a lot. So people flew all the way over from Germany, Austria, United Kingdom to this place. And the fun thing is, everyone has their own unique board. Oh, just coming right in. Sorry.
Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean.
Right now I'm limiting the power supply to the motors to 60% to reserve enough energy to ride the whole day. Electronic skateboarding is the same like snowboarding, only you have much more grip. So if you practice a lot, you can go really easily like you do on a snowboard. So one of the most awesome things about this event is that there are so many creative people coming to this event. So everyone has their own unique electronic ride. One bought it, one made it something of himself, and another one just put some RGB lights on it. And it's so extremely awesome, I think. Go for a full 100% boost, but then the energy will be depleted. So right now, like you saw with the skiing video, I placed my GoPro Fusion on my helmet and put it up front so you can see a third-person view from the front side. Yeah, nice. Going an average of 25 kilometers per hour. Barely made it. brake boost or else you're not going to make it. And downhill from here. Whoop. I brought my drone with me, the Phantom 4, and I'm going to fly indoor with this. I'm also going to do a time trial and see how well I can put it off. I don't think the time trial will end pretty good for me because everyone has modified and upgraded boards and I just got a stock one. So the speed of mine will be much lesser than the other people. Battery is almost completely dry, especially on these ups and downs, because that's what's soaking the battery most. As you can see, the battery is almost empty. This round of the day was really one of the most amazing and unique events I've ever experienced. So let's hope next year comes a part 2 of it. Hey guys, thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I want to say a few things before I end this video about what happened last week. For those who don't know, I had a little issue with the marketing department of FatDaady for posting my video. They wanted me to remove my video because I had online footage of attractions and rides in FatDaady. They even threatened me with a park ban if I didn't remove my video. I was in a bit of a pickle because I had so many hours put in that video. After consulting with my friends, I remembered Loopings had issues with FatDaady in the past. So I reached out to Loopings and asked them for advice. What could I do with this situation? Well, one thing came after the other and they published my story on their website. If you would like to read that article, I got a link for that article in the description down below. That being said, it was a pretty scary situation for me, but I got so much support from you guys, from Loopings and from everyone else. That's a thing that I'm really grateful for, so thank you guys for that. Also, we've passed the 100 subscriber mark, so that's really amazing. I really didn't think we would hit that number this quickly, so I'm also really grateful for that. So thanks for everyone who helped me get here by liking and sharing. On a last note, if the FatDaady story develops any further, I will update you guys. But for now, thank you for watching, like the video if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already.